Hello, good afternoon, and welcome back to my channel. I am Gaming Gorilla. Today we are doing our third part on Modulus, the demo, and we were just about to start our blue pigment section of the game. We will get right into this and hopefully finish the demo in this episode. If not, I'll just carry over to the next one. So, if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, hit that like button, and we will get right into today's episode. So, last episode, we were making these three parts, got them all made. Everything's getting fed into the basic refinery for blue pigment. So, now that that is done and out of the way, we need to actually get the blue hexacrystals into the blue pigment refinery. Gonna add one more crane off to the side here and get our conveyors going. Come on. There. Conveyors going in. There. So that's getting going. As soon as we can upgrade this, we will, because I'd like more cranes to get this section going. Harvester pad. So we'll need a harvester pad. Which way do we want this to go? I'm gonna put you there, link you up to that building, and let the collection begin. So this is making blue pigment. This is collecting blue pigment. And once that is going nice and steady, then we will definitely get going. Don't need that conveyor. So that is linked. Need to go to our tech tree. And what is our next objective? Skylines, extractor. We need this. Okay, we don't have enough of our gray data shards, so we will need to go see what's going on there. Is this not making them? And delete that because it's not getting used. What is going on here? Well, that would be a rather nasty error. Something wasn't connected or got deleted by accident, or maybe when I did the undo on something yesterday, stopped the production. That is a bad thing, because we really need this to keep going. there's one, but we need 16 of that, so guess we're just gonna have to wait. Come on, buildings, move faster, build faster. Can I upgrade you yet? No. Cost. Okay, so I need 12 of those for that. I need 16 for the other part. We are gonna fall behind here. Okay, so after a brief wait, I decided to add another data center, give us more of the gray dashboard deliveries, just so that we could get to our research a little quicker. So we will open up research. Essential paint systems is what we need. So we're going to unlock that. To make paint, use the dye mixer to mix oil with the pigment from the pigment refinery. Okay. Oil extracted from oil pockets on the map using an oil rig. Okay, so I'm guessing we get an oil rig. Is that a new building? Basic refinery. Nope, none of those. One of those? Nope, nope, and nope. Oh, oil rig. Okay, so this is making two things out, and they're both 60 a minute. So am I using... Well, oh, okay, so it's in little... Oh, I can zoom right in. Nice. So they're just little totes of oil. Okay. So we need a tunnel. Right, the first time. And painter and dye mixer. So painter paints a module a new color depends. So that's similar to the monotoner, except it does color. And then the dye mixer creates the paint. So I'm guessing, nope, E. Blue paint? So oil, okay. So I need to move this up here. That'll do. And then I need a splitter. Nope, wrong button. 3. That goes there. Lay some conveyors up to that. Guess it's just the one oil well on this section of map. Yep. Okay. Blue paint. Is there a wait time, or does it need something else? Change your recipe. Blue paint. Oh, I did that wrong. Very wrong, very wrong. 3, 4. Oh boy. Okay, so... Oh, can I do a drone? Can I stick you here? Oh, okay. So you go there. E. Rotate. So I need that. Aha, now it's working. Module challenges. Okay, you now have access to the module challenges. Completing these will give you XP and data shards and allow you to rank up faster. If you're looking for something to do in between delivery targets, give these a go and claim your rewards. Note that these modules must be delivered to the delivery dock to count towards your challenge. So anything that we make for the challenge has to be delivered here. Okie dokie. Atlas, your first paint. How wonderful. Just think of all the possibilities at your digit tips. Ooh, the droid design is going to look so good in blue. It is the most handsome color after all, not that I'm biased. Okay. Complete a module challenge. Unlock stamper node in the tech tree. Basic stamper. Okay. So this, I just want to see what it is. I don't really want to get it yet. Unlocks the efficiency view, which allows you to detect bottlenecks or other problems in the factory. I will wait till it tells me to get that. Basic stamper. Complete module challenge. Pin that. Okay, so it wants us to make a certain item, so we will not disappoint. We will this one and this one, that one and that one. Oh, E, there. So, need a furnace. And then a stamper. So, let's see what Click and drag on a stamped area. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so ye don't need you yet. We need a cutter because three, 1, 3, 4. Okay. So splitter. E to move this out of the way. So I need you. And we will utilize that. That is a scrapper. It destroys the parts that we don't need. And allow us to continue. So, nope, reset. We only need this. And 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, so we still don't need that yet. And I guess we need another cutter. So that's not what we need. Where's the other piece? Okay, that is not. That's what I want. So T, T, R, T. There. So put down a splitter, mirror. Which side are you spitting out? So this side we don't need. Actually, we're gonna put it that way. No, don't put that out. Okay, why are you spitting both out? Hmm. T. That. Configure. Hello, why aren't you spitting stuff out? Stamper. Okay. Obviously, there's something here I'm not understanding. Yes, I need that and that. Oh, there's a second. Okay. Something's not right here because I should be able to pick which. Because that's 3. I wish I could pick which block is going which way. Okay, so that's going that way, but this is literally not doing exactly what I want. Okay, so that took a little bit longer than I was expecting. So what actually happened is this need to be cut in half, that need to be cut down as we had before, but we couldn't have this hooked up until the rest of this was properly prepared ahead of time, just because the second one of the belts is backed up, then the splitter doesn't do its the way it was designed properly to, all right, split this that way, split that this way, and it just spits out both pieces both ways. There's no, I really hope when early access starts, they actually give the splitters a setting which allows, hey, this is what's coming in, the same as the cutters. This is what's coming in. Choose which side each piece is going to go out. And instead of waiting, all right, they're both going to go out this side, they're both going to go out the left side, and then eventually you're kind of going to run out of options or something else. So we're going to put this up here. We need to get it across here. So we need our sky bridge. And these will go across, I hope. Okay, that works. So this needs to come around here. And connect there. Okay, so this is a challenge. How many does it need? 1, 12, 100? Doesn't even tell. 100 points gold. Okay. So 1 to get me 100 points and 6 cubes. And if we keep building them, I'm guessing Wow, I think there's going to be a lot of build up and tear down. Okay. Thank you, Atlas. I see you had a go at some challenge modules. These are meant to sharpen your internal systems. With every completed challenge, you'll become more efficient. Excellent. Initiative. I do love a self-motivated unit. I'm a unit? Oh, I'm a human. I'm not no robot. Although I guess in this game I am. Atlas. Excellent work. You've clearly grasped the fundamentals. From here, your factory will be entirely your own. Should you ever need referral material, the colony has prepared a manual which can be found in the pause menu. Now the real work begins. Oh, you mean everything up to this hasn't been real work? No. Okay. Deliver one droid. Droid? I have to make a droid now? It does not tell me how to make a droid. Droid assembly. Huh. Wait a minute. Let's see. Droid core facility. Well, at least we got lots of those. Droid core facility. Droid assembly. Get those two. Okay, so hey, I got 6 cranes now. So I need 8 of that one. So I'm going to add a second crane to you. Those are both good. I need lots of these, so add another crane to this side. A conveyor belt. That'll fill that up for my blue pigment. So I got blue paint. Really wish there was some sort of droid core facility. What kind of stuff do you need? Oh, we getting extra complicates now. What in the world? Huh? Okay. So, I'm gonna need a painter eventually. So, paint goes in that side. Let's store it all? Nope. Okay, so we need to make... Ooh, the pillars. Do we... Because that's a 2x2, so that's similar to... something we already had. We are going to go steal some... Need you design. Rotate that around. Gonna put you across there because this is sticking out a tad bit far. And once this is done and gone, we move all of that over. Highlight you. So that's all backed up. So I think we're gonna add a splitter. Mirror mode. Need a tunnel. No, that's a sky. Oh. Need a click and a click. E, come back here. Conveyor belts. Move you up here. Four for that. There was an extra one. There, an extra miner. That's backed up anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter. These are making these, so I need to move these out. And they need to go that way. Okay. No. There. Delete that. There. So these are going up there. And these will get painted. And these might as well do two. There. Okay, so that's going there. 32 each. Figures. Okay, so that's going. And I think we are just going to cut it off there and do an all blue segment next time. I was really hoping to get everything done, but I guess the demo's a little longer than I was expecting. So, I think that we will call it a game right there. And hopefully, if you were playing along, you learned something. If not, hopefully this gives you a reason to actually get the demo, try it out yourself, and the full game will be out soon. Really looking forward to it, and I hope that all of you enjoyed that. If you haven't done so, subscribe, like my videos, comment, let me know if I'm doing a good job, bad job, semi-job, and just help my channel out. And I will continue to give you more content. Once this demo's done, I'll probably go back to Plan B, Terraform, and get that going again. If I don't go back before then. So hopefully all of you have a lovely day, lovely evening, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.